Did you know we solved a murder case that happened over 5,000 years ago? In 1991, hikers in the Alps discovered Ötzi the Iceman, a perfectly preserved mummy from 3300 BCE. But this wasn't just an ancient body, it was a crime scene. Modern CT scans revealed a flint arrowhead lodged near his shoulder blade. He'd been shot in the back while fleeing uphill, the arrow severing a major artery. His hands and wrists showed defensive wounds from fighting off his attackers. Scientists even analyzed his stomach contents, red deer and wheat bread eaten just 30 minutes before death. But here's the most chilling detail: his copper axe was left behind. In the Copper Age, that weapon was worth a fortune. This wasn't robbery. The location suggests he knew his killers, found in territory familiar to him. Someone he trusted lured him to his death in those mountains. After 5,300 years, we have all the evidence except the killer's name. Humanity's oldest unsolved murder case, frozen in time.